Integrate engineers' safe use of hand tools. Welcome to this training video on the safe use of hand tools. Purpose: to ensure hand tools of the right material and construction are used correctly and properly for its intended use. Always use the right tool for the job to avoid accidents and injuries. Using a tool for something it's not designed for can lead to damage and harm. Before using any tool, inspect it for defects or wear. Check for cracks, loose handles, or blunt blades. If found, replace damaged tools immediately. No tool shall be homemade or makeshift or illegally modified on site. Hand tools shall only be repaired, redressed, or tempered by qualified personnel. Sharp or pointed tools should not be carried in pockets. Hand tools and implements should be used only for the specific purposes for which they were designed for. Grip tools securely and maintain control at all times. Do not use excessive force. Let the tool do the work. PPE protects you from potential injuries while using tools. Hand tool and implements should not be left lying in common areas. Do not swing the hammer too high when positioning the nail in. Instead, give light taps with minimal swing. Do not swing the hoe up too high during manual excavation. Instead, only swing up just above your head level. Do not stand too close when hoeing in tandem. Instead, stand 1 meter away from the person in front. Same applies to back-facing hoeing in tandem. To stand 1 meter apart. Regularly clean, oil, and sharpen tools to ensure they are in good working condition. Properly maintained tools are safer and more efficient.
Safety is everyone's responsibility.